Useless cooking skill, aka Mr. Chicken's nightmare. How to prepare 5 portions of chicken without using a knife. Find the hole. Thumbs in the hole. Tear into half. Pull from the spine. Hook to stabilize with your index fingers. Think of a person you hate and tear it. Here you go. Tear from the spine. Nope, try another way. Almost there. Beautiful. Keep the whole spine. One done. Move on to the next one. Tear from the midline. I need more work. Why am I doing this? Sweet. Lovely. Three more to go. Find the rib cage. Remove the rib cage. Lots of effort in it. Almost there. Finally. Half chicken left. Easy peasy. I hope you like this video. I mean literally.